Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here, where I'm working on, yes, an old Commodore PET. I'm going to rewind this tape because I'm messing with things with such things as this. This is an old tape. I'm sure I bought this on Aberdeen Road from a place called Mr. Cheap, where they had VHS things, cassette tapes, all kinds of stuff. And this is an original cursor tape. I have never seen these before, but I know that they are here. All right, I'm going to pop this into this data set that I know is working, give it a little exercise, and rewind. There are other tapes here that were in this thing. Let's see if I can decipher what this might say. And also, see, I just don't know, as you know, like what. Oh, Vic backup number 3. Okay, so that is finished. TPUG VTV. Oh, so this is for the VIC 20. So there's no point in me doing something with it here. Personal software. Look at that. It's a tape. Stimulating simulations. Well, the thing is of that, it's up, clear the screen, new, is, I'm going to eject this. See, I tried this before, and things went weird, but is it because I was working with a data set that wasn't workable, or not? I don't know. I'm going to type load. I'm going to press play. And in the midst of that, I'm going to reach way over here. I am indeed. Because I have here, some data sets. Here is a data set. It's very much like the one that's in this machine. It is. It is indeed. But I'm not sure that it is at all happy or workable. So first thing I'm going to do here, I've not given myself much space to work. Do not knock things down. Do not knock things down. Okay. Look, it's a SWAB. Oh, loading art auction. Stop. Run. Art auction. Interesting. Buy painting 1. Okay. 328. You're a bid. Okay, I'll bid. I'll bid 934. You're a bid. Buy painting 3. Alright then, I'll put the upper thing. Opponent bid 890. You bought it. Buy painting 4. Alright, 927. 1142. Oops. I never have. Yes. Okay. No. No. About painting 4. Offer 3 is 981. Accept? Yes. About painting 5. Accept? No. Your profit is minus 184. Well, that's encouraging. So I guess the idea is you buy paintings, which you don't see, and then you try and sell them and make money. Oh man. So I'm trying to get in here at the read write head. On this data set, and it's not It's not as easy as one would think to get inside of here. So I'm going to press the stop. Uh-oh, is this not closing now? Oh, it does. Okay. But it's a little wonky. No, I gotta press play so I can get the head out there. And then I would like to think I could. I would like to think I can get the SWAB on there with some force. I do see some discoloration. So press stop, put that down. Maybe I'll leave it open. A little airflow in there. Do you want to play again? No. Okay, you know what? I'm going to type in load. I'm going to press play. So yes, anyway, it looks like I could buy art and sell art and lose money. Good job. Okay, here is a data set. This is much like the one I'm using at the moment. It looks quite lovely. I'm going to press play. I'm looking inside. I need to move things. I need to move things. And I shouldn't leave the alcohol sitting here open. So I'm going to snag some 99% alcohol. Oh, it's in. Run. And once again, getting at this head is not as easy as I would like to think. And I would like to get in here with a little bit of vigor. Remember, what we're trying to get rid of here is micro corrosion. The other thing, and I did get one of these, it's a tape head demagnetizer, because sometimes weird things happen. But I've never used it, and right now, of course, do I know where it is? No. Well, I guess I'll put this one down here too, and grab another. This one here, this is like the black one, but it's not the black one, it's beige, and it has a counter. It does. So, you may have seen this before. Dip this in the alcohol. I've got this open where I can press play, and then I can weasel this SWAB right inside and try to somewhat convincingly, get at the head. I don't really see any residue there. And it's funny, I guess I should go back. There's another surface. I think the right head might be different. Anyway, I'm going to keep cleaning away here. And then, little by little, I'll try testing these and see if any of them work. So thanks for coming. Remember, this 2001 pet is for sale. Offers are being accepted. Bye for now.